Hello, I'm Marin, a blockchain solutions architect at LimeChain. Today, I'm going to guide you through a new Solana code coverage generation tool that the LimeChain team has developed specifically for Anchor programs. This tool is designed to help you write more reliable and secure Solana programs by giving you clear insight into your test coverage. Here's what we'll cover. I'll show you how to enable code coverage generation for your Anchor programs. I'll demonstrate how to generate code coverage directly from your existing TypeScript tests within LiteSVM. We'll then showcase the role of the new with coverage function and how it integrates into your testing workflow. And finally, I'll show you how to generate a comprehensive coverage report to identify untested areas and improve the quality and security of your Solana programs. Before we dive into the how, here's the why. Even a tiny oversight in your code can lead to massive headaches or significant losses. Untested code isn't just inefficient, it's a security risk that's waiting for an exploit. That's actually why we built this tool, to make Solana programs more secure and reliable, and also accelerate debugging cycles. All right, let's get down to it. The first step is to enable code coverage in your Anchor project. You just copy and paste these 7 lines of code. To make your life easier, I'll provide them in the description of the video. Then you just type Anchor build in your terminal. Now your project is ready to start tracking every line of code. With coverage enabled, generating a new report is even easier. Simply open your text editor, navigate to your test file, and add svm.withCoverage to the before function. Then, you just type Anchor coverage in your terminal. While LiteSVM runs in the background, you'll continue to see your regular test output from your TypeScript tests. Once your tests are complete, the tool generates an HTML report. You'll see an overall summary of your coverage, including lines and branches. And if you click on the file name, which I hope you will, you can drill down into individual lines of code. Green lines means your tests covered that code, while red lines highlight untested areas. This allows you to pinpoint exactly where you need to add more tests to improve the quality and security of your code. We believe this tool is a game changer for Anchor developers, and we're excited to see what you'll build with it. Head over to our GitHub repository to get started, contribute, and help us make the Solana ecosystem even stronger. Thank you for watching, and happy building.